How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 53 Pontiac Tin Woody. Just a super cool car, all patina exterior with all modern driveline in it. Rust-free car basically, just old patina paint on it. All the chrome and the bumpers are all the original. All the glass is the original in the car. It is original tin woody. Got a nice set of updated custom steel wheels and with the bullet center caps, 16s up front, 17s out back. This is a very good friend of mine's car. He's decided to sell it after cruising it for a few years. Gonna go a different direction with something. You know, it's pretty cool that they just left it all original looking on the outside, but when you see under the hood, you'll check out all the cool stuff. Got a nice crate, LSX 6.0 in it with the 8-stack angular injection. Got all power disc brakes, power steering, vintage AC and heat. 4L80E overdrive trans. It's got the billet specialty front runner kit. Got updated with a Ford 9-inch rear. It's got Mustang 2 heights front end under it with all tubular arms and everything. Then they did a very, very nice custom leather interior, so the whole interior's all been redone. Very, very nice. All the wood grain garnish moldings and tops of the dash here, that's all been redone in the wood grain. Very, very nice. Front and rear seat belts in it. Got a little Bluetooth speaker box, so you match it to your phone. The rear seat and everything folds down in it. You'll see in all the pictures, all the wood's been redone and all the stainless trim polished. It's just a super cool car. He's drove this car on the power tours for Back to the Bricks. Just enjoyed it, him and his wife. Tell you, the interior in this car is just beautiful, gorgeous. All this factory moldings and stuff, but they did all leather on it. Just a super, super cool car. See the vintage AC controls there, nicely done in the dash. It's got an Ididit tilt steering column and low car pedals. It's just a cool, cool old car. Thing fires right up. Got all that, you know, nice modern technology, fuel injected. Got updated electric wipers in it. That's a horn. It's just a cool, cool car. I tell you, this car drives and rides beautiful. It's just a cool car right there, guys. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.